going on, guys? So today I plan on taking the silencer ring off the 12 valve. As you can see, should be a pretty easy project. We'll see if it makes a difference. I'll let you know, update you later in the video if I like the results or not. What's going on, guys? I don't know if you could hear me. This truck's really loud. It's dirty. I need to wash it. But the silencer ring, honestly, I'm not really impressed. It doesn't make a difference. I'll drive it right now and record at the same time so you guys can get the gist of what it sounds like, but I'm not really, it sounds the same to me. I don't know if you guys could hear that slight whistle. Alright guys, excuse the mess in the truck. Like I said, I haven't washed it, but hope you could hear. Honestly, to me, the truck sounds exactly the same. Made zero difference. If you guys have a 12 valve, leave it down in the comments. Did it make a difference on your truck, or sound the same to you, or what? gonna be heading out though, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and thank you for the support.